Good morning, everyone. It is already 9:20, so let us start our class. In previous class, we have finished predefined macros. Now I am going to explain you command line argument. This is last topic of your module 3. Okay, so what is command line argument and how it is very useful? Like you have seen, whenever I am going to type any command in command line, okay, like date. If I want to write date, so this is our C prompt or dollar prompt. Okay, here I am typing date, then it will display some date. Similarly, directory command, directory, all the directory listed with A. Okay, so this also gives all the directory listed with A. So here this is known as argument. Okay, argument, and this is our program name or command. Now, so this is one more command and several other commands are there. Likewise, you can write your own command. Okay, so what is command line argument? When executing a program in either C or C++, so we are talking about C, but it is also available for C++ and Java also. There is a way to pass command line argument. Pass the character arrays. Okay, each parameter separated by space, no comma is there, and comes into the program has two arguments. There are two arguments, argc and argv, inside main program. As parameter. So let us describe each one in detail, how these are very helpful. So this is a simple program. Here we have passed two arguments, integer argc and character pointer argv. So this is our array of string and this is our counting of number of argument. Okay, so the mechanism already compiler has set for all these things, and this is our opening and closing curly brace. Now for I here integer is written and I equals to 0, I is less than or equals to argc I plus plus, and print all the arguments. So what this program will perform for this line, okay, for this line it will create one variable of integer type and the name of variable is argc. Similarly, for this particular, it will create array of string. Okay, multiple strings are there. So this is our array, and here you can write anything, and the name of array is argv, and this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, and so on. Let us see a running program. Suppose this program is compiled using the command cc prg.c-o, then prg. Okay, after pressing enter, it will give you two warnings. Okay, so left these warnings there and then run this program ./prg. Suppose I am argument. Okay, and then press enter. As soon as you press enter, this becomes ARGV 0. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so here it stores ./prg followed by I, then M, then argument. Okay, after pressing enter, it will count the number of arguments. So the count of the argument is 4. So here 4 will come. Now, for this program, you can see that it is written I equals to 0. So this loop will work from 0 to ARGC. So what is the current value of ARGC? ARGC is 4. So that's why it is running up to 4 minus 1. Why 4 minus 1? Because of this inequality. Okay, this is less than. So that's why it is running up to that time. Now it will print something. What will be printed here? So it will start printing. It will start printing that /n. This line will be blank, and from this line it will start printing %s. So in place of %s, what will be coming? In place of %s, the arguments are there. Okay, these are the arguments. So in place of this %, so for loop will start from 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is the value of I. So due to this, it will print the values. So this is our values of I. Let us now write each and every output one by one. So what will be our output? Let us see. Here it will be, this will print, where is the pointer? Yes, this will print ARGVI. ARGVI is ./PRG. ./PRG then is argument number %I. This is our 0. Then next line, actually this is incorrect output. It will not start printing from here. The first line will be blank, and from second line it will start writing the output. So from second line it will start writing ./PRG is argument number 0. Then from second line, because /n is there, what is written? I is argument number 1. Then third line, M is argument number 2. Fourth line, argument is argument number 3, and then program will terminate. Okay, so this is how you can use your program. Okay, and this is our for loop. So initially it will start from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, up to 3. Okay, so is there any doubt to you? Anyone is having any doubt?
No, sir.
Fine. So let us execute one more iteration of this program. Fine. The same thing will be there. Okay. So this is our ARGC integer type and ARGB array of character or string type. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Now, let us try to execute this program. So this is our execution. The name of program is CLA. Okay. And this is the compilation step. Then after that, actually no compilation warning will come. So it is very good. Now this is our running program. So in this running program, whatever written here is ARGB, then ARGB1, then ARGB2, okay, ARGB3, ARGB4, then 5 because I'm not able to write this, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now let us transfer each and everything in actual memory. So let us do this step. And this is our ARGB 0, ARGB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so let us now write each and everything. Pen. Okay, so in ARGB 0, it is your program name. I will clarify you. So this is your CLA followed by hello, then each, then word should be a unique argument. So whenever you are writing any answer related with program, you must show the output like this also. Okay, how this program is running. Then your marks are clearly means if the question is of 10 marks, then there may be chances of getting 10 marks upon correct program and correct execution. Fine. Now, so the argument, total arguments are 9. So 9 will be stored here. So let us now see the output. What will be the output? Because of this for loop, integer I, this also hold initial value as 0 and it will start for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up to 8 it will run because of this inequality. Okay. So how this for loop will execute from 0 to 8. This is your 9 minus. Okay. Now see the execution of program. So this dollar is there and inside this dollar, yes, this is our execution. So here you can see that one blank line is there. Why this blank line is coming? Because of this /n. Okay. Now, because no /n is here, so let us see CLA is argument number 0 hello is argument number 1, and this each is argument number 2. Okay, then word is argument number should be a unique argument, and then argument is argument number 8, and then concatenated the output with command prompt. Why? Because no /n is at end of line. So this also matters. Okay. Better if I put this /n over here, then it will work very fine, but no problem. You are able to understand, then there is no problem. So any doubt till the execution of this program? Anybody is there or everybody is left from class?
Yes,
No,
no,
sir.
no
No,
doubt.
sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. So this is another program, and just try to understand this program, because there is one assignment, immediate assignment for you to create a program for factorial. Okay, using command line. So better try to understand what is the program and why it is written like this. This is our standard library, and this library is used for a function a to I. What is the meaning of a? So a is your character. Okay. And I is your integer. So this is your program a to I. Character to integer. Fine. So this is a function, because we have already seen that this will always hold string values. Okay, it means it is not any numeric value. So let us see and see the execution of each and every line. So the first line is your argc. So this is your argc of type integer, and next one is your argv. argv of type string. Okay. So because the program is not very complicated, that's why I'm not explaining this. It will be explained later in pointers class. So this is our argv0, argv1, argv2, argv3, and so on. Now, our program is based on validation, because we want only 3 arguments, the name of program followed by 2 numbers for which we want to show the sum. Okay, So this validation is given whether if the argument is 3, it will work perfectly. Otherwise, it will give some error. So let us program. Let us run this program for case 1. In for this case 1, free argument. Fine. Now I am writing and the name of program, suppose it is sum.c. So this is our compilation step. Compilation is cc sum.c minus o sum. Then it will start running the program ./sum followed by 46 and 44. Suppose these are the two numbers, but this is not taken as number. Okay, let me show you the breakup of each and everything. So I had marked this thing in light color, very light color. Maybe it is not visible to some. So let us choose the same color. Okay, so this is a program, and whenever I am pressing this input, this will store the value like ./sum will be your 0th argument, then 46, then 44. Okay, so this is stored as, these two values are stored as string, which is not number, which is not a number, but looks like number. So we call a function a to I to make this string a number. Fine. Now, before this, it will check. So the check for if argc equals to 3 is correct, then program will go for true branch. Okay, go inside true branch. And now inside this true branch, a equals to a to I. What is written here? 46, and now it will be converted into integer value, that is our 46. We have used this 46 and now this will convert it to this 46. Similarly, b equals to a to I, and then this is our 44, and this 44 will be converted into this 44. Now c equals to a plus b, 46 plus 44. This will give you 90. So another variable, actually there are 4 variables which is created in memory. So we have not shown here. Let me show all these variables in different color. So a is there, b is there, c is also there. Okay. Due to this assignment, now all integer A, integer B, and integer C. Due to this, it will store this, and this will store this, and the final output will move here. And this is our 90. And in command line, now we are executing this line. Okay. So we are executing this line. So this will print double greater than. From new line, this line will be omitted, and from new line it will print %d. So what is %d? A, and this is B, and this last one is C. So in place of A, it will write 46 plus 44 equals to 90. Okay. So this is for 3 argument, and else branch will not run. Now come to case 2. So this is our case 2. In case of case 2, if I am writing any number of argument, okay, this is our case 1. So we have break the line here. This is for case 1. Okay. Now come to case 2. So in this case 2, I had written dot slash sum 45, 46, 47, and then enter. You can use as many as output, as many as inputs actually. So let us draw ARGC here and ARGV. Okay, this is for case 2. Case 2 is argument is not equals to 3. So in this case, it will store dot slash sum here, then 45, 46, and 47, and the ARGC is 4. Now, if branch will execute, if ARGC is equals to 3. So this is no. Okay. Due to this no, it will move to else branch. And the answer will be printed in dollar prompt as standard error invalid arguments. Okay. So let us highlight on this. This will be printed here because of these arguments are not equal. Any doubt? Till now? So now create your own program for factorial. Yes, you have 5-minute time. At 10 a.m. I will see your program.
हेलो
यस,
सर, एक न्यू एडमिशन हुआ है सर, उसकी आईडी ऐड करनी है टीम में।
क्या नाम है?
सर उसका नाम पुष्पेंद्र है।
पुष्पेंद्र, उसकी पुष्पेंद्र सिंह शेखावत।
यस सर, अभी
Yes,
आपको
sir.
सेंड किया।
हेलो हेलो, गुड
हाँ,
मॉर्निंग
भेज
सर।
दिया। गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग।
सर मेरी आईडी भी नहीं है सर, अभी ऐड ध्रुव गोयल।
ध्रुव गोयल की भी नहीं है, एक सेकेंड ना। टीम्स बी सेक्शन, एड मेंबर, पुष्पेंद्र सिंह शेखावत 1। शेखावत 1 है ना?
यस सर।
सेकंड इज ध्रुव गोयल।
यस सर।
Sir, Gopichand also, sir.
ध्रुव गोयल 1, ध्रुव गोयल 1 और 2 और 3। एनी अदर?
Sir, Gopichand, sir.
वल्लभेनी गोपीचंद आपकी तो बहुत पहले से एडेड है, और कितना ऐड करवाओगे?
हो गया सर, ऐड हो गया।
सर सचिन गुज्जर।
सचिन गुज्जर, ओके। और कोई?
सर विकास।
विकास, पूरा नाम विकास गोयल।
अधाना, ADHANA।
विकास, स्पेलिंग बोलो। विकास,
ADHANA, अधाना लास्ट।
विकास अडाना। अभी आपका तो आईडी क्रिएट नहीं हुआ लग रहा।
क्रिएटेड आईडी।
नहीं, नहीं आया आपके आपका। विकास डीएसवी भी नाम से अभी आपने लॉगिन किए ना?
यस सर।
हाँ, अभी आपकी आईडी नहीं आई। और कोई? तो जितने लोग नए आए हैं उन लोगों को पता लग जाएगा कि वीडियोस कहाँ पर है, वो सारे वीडियो। हाँ
सर, केमिस्ट्री का भी बच्चा है सर, प्रोतेय।
गायत्री बोलो।
सर प्रोतेय नाम का एक बच्चा है, केमिस्ट्री में ऐड हुआ है सर, न्यू एडमिशन।
क्या नाम है?
प्रोतेय, प्रोतेय।
आप टाइप करो, आपकी आवाज पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ब्रेक हो रही है।
सर मैं व्हाट्सएप करती हूँ उसकी ईमेल
हाँ
आईडी।
हाँ, आप व्हाट्सएप कर दो। प्रत्यय हल्दर। अच्छा, प्रत्यय हल्दर 1 और 2। हल्दर
1
1,
सर, 1।
ओके। इसको ग्रुप में भी ऐड कर लेना, अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, ठीक है? एनी अदर एडिशन? My mic is not working. Shubham Swami, please add me also. Okay. Fine. So anyone has attempted the question factorial using command line?
Sir, I have sent, sir, but I am installing the GCC compiler in my command line and it is still in progress.
But it is not working now. Yes or no?
It is working, sir. Code is absolutely correct, and I am installing the compiler, GCC
Okay,
compiler.
okay. So just send your code.
I have sent in WhatsApp, sir.
WhatsApp. K. Raghuram Srivats. In section B group. Okay, yes. No, the logic is wrong. And it is not means whatever I'm asking is not performed here. Today the lecture is of command line argument and you have done with non-command line or simple program. Okay, your program is simple program. It will not work with command line.
Okay.
Yes. Anyone has completed? Okay, I think you are not trying to work on this, but this is very important. Fine. So let us discuss conventional rule for command line argument. Arguments are always passed to main. Okay, inside that two arguments are there, argc, and so there are two arguments. कौन से दो arguments हैं? First one is argc and second one is argv. Okay. Now the first one is integer. It is of type integer, and second one is of type character pointer. So character pointer argv. Now the first argument in this case argv0 is always the program name. Okay, will always be the name of calling program. Then argc will always be at least one. Whenever you are calling this program, it is always one. The first argument is always argv 0 and the last will be argc argc minus 1. Why this argc the value of count. Okay, then argc argc will always be a null pointer. Arguments are always passed as characteristic numbers must be converted from character to integer. The function is a to I. You need to find how do we convert character to float, whether a to f function will exist or not, a to d function will exist or not, you need to search. Okay, so let us write a program for factorial. Factorial using command line. So it will start from integer main. So this will not work. So be careful while writing any program. It is not working. You need to pass two arguments. Let us write two arguments. First one is integer argc. You can write any name. Okay, integer Neha, integer Priyanka, whatever you want to write, character Manoj, etc. So this is your character ARGV, but due to standardization, we are always writing ARGC and ARGV. Now, let us put long integer, okay? And I am not writing anything because it will require in future. And let us check validation. If ARGC equals to 2, then only it will work for factorial. Okay, so long integer f equals to 1 for yes. There is one more thing. What is this? While writing program, you must plot the things. Okay. Yes, this line is correctly written. So let us write once again validation. If ARGC equals to 2, then there is another value n equals to a to I, which argument ARGV 1 will be your first argument and it will be converted into numeric value. Then for I equals to integer I equals to 2, why 2? Because anything is multiplied with 1 will give you the same result. I is less than or equals to n I plus plus. Okay. Now f equals to f multiplied by I. And then this loop will close and then printf factorial of %d equals to %ld. So what is the value? Factorial of n is f. Okay. Then this if will also close and else it will print standard error, invalid, invalid argument, and then this program will return something, return 0, and then close the program. So this is our program, and जब आप इसको रन करेंगे तो इस तरह से रन करेंगे ./fact followed by 5. So it will always give you answer as factorial of 5 is 120. Okay, no semicolon. So just try to run this program and tell me what problem you face during execution of this program. Any doubt in this program?
Sir.
No doubt. So I will assume that you will run this program in your command line. If you are not able to run, we have 5 minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes. So let me run this program using command line, because you cannot run this program simply in code block. Why? Because code block executes the program. It will not use the command line. So let us write vi fact cli dot c. Okay. Include hash include stdio.attach, then include string.h, then integer
सर
main. Oh, yes, yes.
सर आप
My
जहाँ लिख रहे
screen
हो
is
शो नहीं हो रहा.
okay. Let me show you my screen. Oh. Now is it visible?
Yes sir.
Yes.
ARGC. Thank you, thank you. Character ARGV, and then integer. This is long integer, no? Long integer f equals to 1, comma, and if argc equals to 2, then n equals to a to I argv 1 for integer I equals to 0. I is not 0, it is 2. I is less than or equals to n I plus plus f equals to f multiplied by I print. No, printf is not required. Printf slash n factorial. Let's write in very special manner. Factorial %d equals to %ld, comma, factorial of n equals to f. Yes. Then else printf %s. The name of program is written here, %s. Okay. It will give you output like a professional software developer. Okay. %s. This is the name of program in a square bracket, followed by, yes, before this standard error. This will be printed, and but it gives you simulation like you are a professional software developer. Okay. And this is from /n also, /n, and put /n over here also in last. Now standard error. What is our standard error? Invalid argument. Invalid argument. And then /n. Now return 0 and then close the program. So this is our program. Okay. So let me copy this program. Okay. Let me copy this program and paste the program over here. And let us see the output of this program. Before scap colon wq cc fact CLI, that is command line interface, dot C minus O fact CLI. So 3 warnings are there. Okay, 3 warnings are there. And yes, this warning is very correctly written. So let me edit this program once again. Actually, invalid argument is written, but what I need to pass for this percentage. So for this percentage, I am interested to pass insert ARGV. 0 is our program name. Okay, now it is clear. Let us compile once again. So 2 warnings are there. Explicit argument, but argument is long integer. So let us ignore this. Now dot slash fact CLI followed by 5. It will give you factorial 5 equals to 120. So this is the way. Actually, I want this answer as this. It gives us simulation of software. Now, same thing if I am writing this. So it will give us error. Standard error fact CLI invalid argument. Okay, all these things we have created in our program, and this will give you. So this is working like a software. So this is our output. Any doubt you can ask?
No, sir.
No doubt. So for now, this is sufficient. Thank you very much.